Hello everybody, my name is Dave. In videos like this one, we take a look at a camera and then we take a look at the photos I shot with that camera. And this camera today is a Minolta Maxxum 5. This camera is designed to get right to quick shooting. It has a lot of program modes that are selectable from the LED screen on the top of the camera. And I'll be using the two lenses that came with it. One lens is a 28 to 80 millimeter autofocus. And then the other one is a, what do we have here? It's a 75-300. I'll only shot a few with the 300, so you'll see those at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Now enjoy the show.